Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on changing Siri's accent on iPhone and iPad. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. Start by opening the Settings app. In Settings, select Siri and Search. Here in the Ask Siri section, you can select the Siri Voice option to change it. You can choose between different country accents here, such as American, Australian, and British. Some countries have multiple accents that you can choose from. You can hear a preview by selecting one of the voices from down below. When you find the voice and accent you want to use, tap it so that there is a tick beside it, and then you can exit settings and your choice will be saved. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful, and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more iPhone tips and tricks.